Hey, what's up, Joe? Corey here. Real quick, I'm going to shoot over those three free tips that I promised. So those three things I'm actually going to go over as content, citations, and backlinks. I may have overlooked your website. If you have one, I apologize. But if you don't, we can actually build that out real quick for you, so we can actually apply these three tips to help grow your business and bring in those leads coming in online. So the first thing I'm actually going to go over is content. Google loves words, and kind of using this guy as an example, I like to be right around 2,000 words right on that first page. That way you can actually layer in all those keywords. Those keywords are what people are actually searching for and how your website is even being found. Kind of give you an idea here about some keywords. If you go inside of Google, type in HVAC Patterson NJ, you're going to get this little map section here at the very top, or this GMB or Google My Business listing. And to get to the very top where all the traffic lands, you're going to be dealing with these online citations called or these business directories called citations. These are just online directories with your business name, address, phone number listed on it. These things are like Facebook, LinkedIn, the Local Best, the City Star, the BBB. You got thousands of them out there. So what we'd want to do is go get those same citations that your top competitors have to start out. We obviously want to go out and outrank them as well. So I would do maybe 50 or even 100 times the amount of citations that they have. So when Google does all their algorithms, they got no reason to put you in the very top right here for all that work that you did in that listing. Underneath that GMB, we have that first page of Google, and this is where all that organic traffic lands right here on that first page. And to get your website on that first page, you're going to be dealing with all that content being found for those keywords, what people are actually searching for, but also what comes down to what's called a backlink. What a backlink is just a link from multiple different websites linking right back to your site, and all they do is really push power back to your site so you can actually get on that first page of Google. And can I give you an idea here? I took this guy's URL and stuck it inside of Ahrefs. Ahrefs is just a tool. It lets me see what happens behind the scenes of a site. I'm going to do a quick overview. So 46 referring domains, pushing back 433 backlinks, 422 keywords, 86 clicks to his website. You can actually see what he's ranking for here. He gets his name here at the very top. AC repair, Newark, NJ, there's 30 clicks a month. He's getting a few clicks there. Heating repair, Paris Penny, NJ, another 60 clicks a month. Air conditioning repair, East Hanover, NJ. Air conditioning repair, Summit, NJ. HVAC repair, NJ, another 70 clicks. So coming in, finding these keywords that's just going to help you drive more and more traffic to your site. We got to obviously get the ones that's actually going to be utilized by you, of course. And then also we do those proper backlinks or those quality backlinks, so we can actually get in that in a good position on that first page. And you're going to notice your phone start ringing off the hook with that traffic coming in. Anyway, hopefully this all made sense. I'd love to put a custom game plan to help you out there, or if you just want to play these three free tips for yourself, that's fine too. I look forward to chatting soon. Bye.